Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain common Flutter errors you might encounter while using Visual Studio Code. We'll dive right into understanding why these errors occur and how to approach them effectively. My goal is to help you quickly diagnose and fix issues, making your development process smoother and more enjoyable. We'll cover several key areas to ensure you're well-equipped to tackle any challenge. Visual Studio Code offers robust debugging tools essential for Flutter development. You can set breakpoints at specific lines of code to pause your application's execution, allowing you to inspect variable values and understand program state. The integrated debugger also lets you step through your code line by line, helping you pinpoint exactly where an issue originates. This powerful functionality is crucial for efficient error resolution. Let's explore some specific types of Flutter errors and their practical solutions. We'll look at common widget tree issues, like incorrect layout or rendering problems, and how to fix them. We'll also cover dependency conflicts, which often arise from incompatible package versions, and discuss strategies for resolving them. Understanding these common pitfalls will significantly speed up your debugging process. To minimize errors, adopting best practices is key. Always write clean, modular code and use meaningful variable names to improve readability. Regularly updating your Flutter SDK and project dependencies helps avoid compatibility issues. Furthermore, utilizing static analysis tools, like the Dart analyzer, can catch potential problems before they even become runtime errors, saving you valuable development time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.